Welcome coders to lecture 2 of section 1. In this lecture, you are going to write your first Java program. So let's get started by opening up our IDE Visual Studio Code. So here I have opened Visual Studio Code. So before creating our first Java program, first we need to create a folder where we store all our files. So we can go to the Explorer menu on the left, or you can press Ctrl Shift E. Click on Open Folder, and then I'm going to create my folder on my desktop. I'm going to create a new folder here, and I'm going to name it Java. So after I've created the folder, I will click on Select Folder, and this will open a new interface with my folder open here. Having done that, let's start writing in our first program. So I'll just quickly close this. So first we have to declare a class. So to declare a class, we write public class, and the name of the class has to exactly be the name of the file. For us, it's going to be hello world, and then we're going to put curly brackets. And as a feature of Visual Studio Code, both the curly brackets appear uh, with each other. So you press enter. Now we're going to declare a function. So we're going to write public static void main string args. We're gonna again put curly brackets, and here we're gonna write system.out.print, and in brackets we're gonna write hello world. So I'm gonna explain this code to you right now. So what this does is system.out tells the system that it's an output given to the console, and print means it will print whatever there's inside this circular brackets. So for us, it's going to be hello world, and it's because it's inside because double quotes because it isn't a variable. So we'll learn about that later. And semicolon is a feature in most of the programming languages to tell the system that this is the end of the programming statement. So we're going to press Control S to save the phone, and then we're going to go to terminal, and then click on new terminal. So this is the folder, this folder which is open here. So we're going to just try to compile the program. We're going to write Java C hello world.java. This will make a new file in our folder. So if I'll just go to my file, so it says hello world.class. So it's the compiled file. If I open, it's actually a hexadecimal, which the computer can understand. I'm just gonna close this and open VSC again. So now to run the program, we have to write Java hello world, and we're gonna press enter. So here you see it printed hello world to the console.